So, as some people might have guessed from little clues in other videos, I've bought myself a 911. It's a 997 Carrera S 3.8. And yeah, at the moment I'm absolutely loving it. It's still a new toy to me. I've had it about 3 weeks, maybe a month. And yeah, it's good fun. Let me talk you around it. It's largely, I mean, it's pretty standard. It's a, oh. So yeah, it's pretty standard 911 S. It's got the Porsche sports exhaust, which is, the valves are open the whole time, so that makes it a lot better for volume, although I do want more volume. So I'm thinking the first mod's probably going to be sports cats. It's a sport chrono, so I'll show you. So it's got a sport chrono package, so you get the stopwatch in there, sport button, it's got the adaptive dampers, you can have the spoiler up the whole time, well you can on any 911, but you can have the spoiler up the whole time, which I think looks better, but I want a ducktail spoiler for it ideally. It's just trying to find one that isn't 1,600 quid, which is seeming impossible. Yeah, it's black, although it looks probably kind of grey blue at the moment, but we're going to go and get it washed now, and then we are going to a car meet and a cruise out to Poole. So yeah, come along. We just met up with a load of guys and now we are in convoy to Poole Motor Museum. We are at the moment in the most ridiculous convoy ever. We got in front, we got a GTR, in front of that C63, there's an M3 in front of that, McLaren's 720S in front of that, another GTR, there's a Cayman GT4. It's crazy. So it's a great turnout today. Loads of other cars in front and behind as well, but that's all I can see at the minute. So yeah, it's a good little show so far. Good day, good fun, a lot of driving, covered a lot of miles here, there and everywhere, good little group of people, so yeah, it was cool. And I'm going to be doing a full comprehensive review of this new car. Well, I'll be putting it out over the next month. Also, we've got a Cayenne GTS video coming out and a Lamborghini Huracan Spider video coming out. So don't forget to subscribe to see those, and yeah, see you then.